How can my ketones be 0? It doesn't make any sense.
You're not alone in this. Your body is stuck.
But I'm doing everything right.
Too much protein is preventing you from burning fat on the ketogenic diet. So how much protein do you need? The number one mistake people make is thinking they're on a true ketogenic diet when they're not. Most people are actually following a high protein version that looks more like Atkins, and that's why their body never switches into fat burning mode. The ketogenic diet isn't a high protein diet. It's a moderate protein, high fat diet. Protein can be a problem because in excess, it actually turns into sugar. The whole point of the ketogenic diet is to eliminate sugar completely. So here's the science. When you eat too much protein, your body converts the extra amino acids into glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis. Your blood sugar rises, insulin goes up, and fat burning stops. Your body says, "Thanks, I've got easy fuel," and stores the fat instead. The ketogenic diet works only when fat becomes your main fuel source. That happens when you eat enough healthy fats and just enough protein to maintain muscle, not overload it. The body will only burn fat when there's no sugar and no excess protein left to use. So if you give it carbs or excess protein, it'll always choose that shortcut. You have to train your body to prefer fat by removing every shortcut it has. Want to know if you're truly in ketosis? Test your blood ketones and glucose first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. If your ketones are below 0.5 millimoles and your blood sugar is above 5.0, you're still burning sugar, not fat. Once you fix that, you'll see your energy rise, your hunger drop, and your fat start to melt away. If this helped you, hit follow, like, and share this
Her
video.
story, your story. Know that there is a scientific path forward. Let us help you find it, or comment HELP. We can help you too.